Hello friends, today we are going to discuss vocabulary of letter A part 1. Let's start. Abase means lower or humiliate. Split it into A plus base. Where is a base? On the ground. To see the ground, we have to lower our head. So, abase means to lower or humiliate someone. Abash means embarrassed or ashamed. Split it into A plus bash. Bash means to strike hard and violently. Imagine a person is hit hard on his face in front of everyone. He would be embarrassed. So, abash means to embarrass. Abate means subside, decrease or lessen. Split it into AB plus 8. 8 is the past tense of eat. When we eat the food in the plate, it will be reduced. So, abate means something which decreases or reduces. It is usually used in case of something unpleasant or severe. Abbreviate means shorten. Abbreviation means short form of anything. So, abbreviate means to shorten. Here in this image you can see Mr. is pronounced as MR, Mr. Corporation as Corp. Similarly other examples like doctor. Right? Also, abbreviate has root word brev, which means short. So is the meaning of the word abbreviate. Abdicate means give up or renounce. Split it as AB plus decate. Decate sounds something similar to dictator, which is related to ruling. Normal. What is the opposite of normal? It is abnormal. So, AB is added to decate. When dictator is abnormal, then he will definitely give up the throne. So, abdicate means to renounce or give up. Note, AB is a root word which means away. It is usually used in negative sense. Abduction means kidnapping. Split it as AB plus duct. Duct means a pipe which carries water away. AB is added to define it as taken by force. So, whenever someone is taken by force, it is called kidnapping. So, abduction means kidnapping. Aberrant means abnormal or deviant. Split it as A plus bear plus ant. Bear sounds something like beer. Here you can see an ant drinking a bottle of beer. If an ant drinks beer, then it would walk abnormally. So, the meaning of aberrant is abnormal or deviant. Abet means encourage or help someone to do something wrong. Split it as A plus bet. In casino, friends encourage you to bet, which is a bad activity because it is risky as you lose money. So, abet means encouraging someone to do something wrong. Abeyance means suspended action. Split it as abey plus yans. It sounds something like AB plus yawns. Yawns means yawning. Imagine students yawning in the class and teacher saw that and gave them a break of 5 minutes. So, abeyance means suspended action or temporary suspension. Abhor means detest or hate. Abhor sounds like a whore. Whore also means a prostitute. We generally hate a whore, so abhor means detest or hate. Also, abhorring a person is to hate that person. Abject means wretched or lacking pride. Abject sounds like reject. Poor people are always rejected, because of which they lack pride. So, abject means wretched or lacking pride. Abjure means renounce upon oath or give up. Split it like AB plus jure. Jure sounds like injured. When someone is injured in the race, what will he do? Give up. So, abjure means give up. Ablution means washing. Split it as A plus blue plus shun. It seems similar to a blue solution. Where is it used? To wash clothes. So, ablution means related to washing. Abnegation means self-denial. Split it as ab plus negate. Relate negate to negative and ab to away. It means to remove some negative habit from yourself. Take for example smoking. You will get rid of that bad habit by self-denying when offered by friends. So, abnegation means self-denial. Abolish means cancel or put an end to. Split it as A plus abolish. Abolish sounds like polish. A polish puts an end to the dullness of the shoe. So, abolish means to put an end to or cancel something. Abominable means extremely unpleasant or very bad. Split it as ab plus omin plus able. Ab means away. Omin sounds like vomit. When someone vomits in public, it is extremely unpleasant. So, abominable means something very bad or unpleasant. Aboriginal means native or primitive. Split it as A plus B plus original. Letter A and B are the origin or the initials of the English alphabetical order. When some people are origin of a particular region, then they are called native or primitive. So, aboriginal means native or primitive. Abortive means unsuccessful or fruitless. Split it as abort plus IVE. When a mission is aborted, it means it is stopped. This means the mission didn't deliver any result, so hence unsuccessful. So, abortive means unsuccessful. Abrasive means a substance that abrades or wears down. Split it as AB plus rasive. Rasive sounds like erasive. Eraser, when rubbed, wears down. Things which are capable of polishing or cleaning a hard surface by rubbing or grinding are also called abrasive. Abridge means condense or shorten. Split it as A plus bridge. What does a bridge do? Or what is the purpose of a bridge? To shorten the transportation distance between two places. So, abridge means condense or shorten. Subscribe to Vocab Guide for regular updates. Thank you.